Good day, Nigeria, good day, Africa, and good day to our listeners across the globe. And good day to our viewers across the globe. Welcome to Update People TV, where we connect the dots behind the headlines and bring you the stories shaping our nation. And this is today's trending national roundup. Let's get straight into it. So, popular Nigerian music star Asake is currently trending after videos emerged showing him generously sharing money with fans in Ghana. While many praised his generosity, others on social media raised questions asking why similar public displays of giving are rarely seen in Nigeria by Asake. Could that be true? As expected, the conversation quickly turned emotional, touching on expectations placed on celebrities, public charity, and whether generosity should be location-based or private. One thing is certain, Asake's actions have once again sparked debate about fame, responsibility, and public perception. A heartbreaking throwback video is also making the rounds online, and this particular footage shows boxing champion Anthony Joshua riding bicycles freely around Lagos with close friends earlier this year, a simple moment of joy that now carries deep pain. Sadly, two of his friends later lost their lives after returning to Nigeria. Image of the damaged vehicle involved in the accident have surfaced, with many noting that the backseat structure likely saved Joshua's life. It's a reminder of how fragile life can be and how quickly moments turn into memories.
We're doing the illegal maneuver in Niger. Just enter motor less, yeah? Let them take you out of here.
Now to a major economic warning that Nigerians should not ignore. Speaking on Arise News, Airpeace Chairman and CEO Mr. Onyema revealed that Nigeria's aviation sector is facing a looming crisis due to newly introduced tax policies. According to Onyema, if urgent action is not taken, domestic flight tickets could soon exceed 1 million naira, forcing airlines out of business. He explained that airlines are burdened with excessive taxes, levies and charges, leaving them with only a small fraction of what passengers actually pay. His warning is clear: if the policy remains unchanged, the aviation industry could begin collapsing within months, affecting passengers, banks, jobs and the wider economy.
The Nigerian airlines are heavily overburdened by taxes, levies and all manner of charges. Just take a ticket of about 350,000. What comes to the airlines is about 81,000 naira. And people, everybody's talking about the airlines as if they're making a kill. It's not true. The government has got to look into the excessive multiple taxation we are suffering, multiple taxation, multiple charges. For example, the NCA, 5% for every ticket, and they will tell you that it's passenger that's paying it. And we in the airline industry are saying that if it is passenger, maybe you have to set up a desk at the airport and collect directly from the passengers, because when you take 5% from what we charge, it reduces the demand.
So you remit 5%?
Yes.
Mandatorily?
Mandatorily. Of whatever, that is to NCA alone. There are so many other charges, and that does not mean you don't pay NCA for whatever service they render. ICAO, the International Civil Aviation Organization, states that you are not supposed to go into revenue generating for government. What you do is cost recovery. That is, you charge according to the costs of the services you render to the airlines. Not at the end of the year, NCA will become the second largest donor to the country's treasury. Who are the ones suffering it? The airlines. And that's why the airlines are not growing. So many charges. Now, the tax law of 2020 removed custom duties, removed on imported aircraft and imported aircraft spares and engines, removed VAT on imported aircraft and imported spare parts, removed VAT on ticket fares. That is the 2020 Act. Even then, airlines were still suffering so many other multiple charges all over the place. Now, the new tax law has brought those things back.
All of them?
All of them. There's VAT now on importation of aircraft. So if you buy an aircraft of $80 million, you are supposed to pay 7.5% of $80 million. You and I do the mathematics from money borrowed from funds borrowed from the bank at 30-35%. So you bring in spare parts, you pay 7.5% on your spare parts. Ticket fares will hit 1.something million soon. If 7.
With this new tax regime?
Yes.
From January?
From January. With 7.5% on ticket fares. And ICAO, this in annex stated that you are not supposed to charge VAT on air ticket fares, on transportation. Here we are doing it. Even our dear president signed certain things with the ECOWAS, it's an ECOWAS thing.
The protocol.
Yes, that will go into effect on January 1st. They signed it in 2024 to take effect this January 1st, whereby certain things are exempted. Aviation is a peculiar sector. It's a catalyst for the economy. It's not supposed to be used in the way they are trying to use it to generate revenue for government. That's why the airports are not developing. The money being generated by the airports are supposed to be used for the airports, not the other way around. You could see the picture and videos of what happened in Abuja during this period. A crowd of thousands of people in a very small place. The present government is doing everything possible to improve aviation. We in AON appreciate Mr. President for what he has been doing for aviation. The last time was 4% FOB, customs we are charging. And we took it to the presidency. The Honorable Minister of Finance and the DG of Customs and the President removed it within 24 hours. We are very grateful. Now we are talking about the implementation,
of the new tax reform.
If we implement that tax reform, Nigeria Airlines will go down in 3 months.
Politics is also heating up earlier than expected. A training video shows a group of Igbo youths openly endorsing Atiku Abubakar as their preferred presidential candidate for 2027. The endorsement has sparked intense debate online, with many asking, does this signal a shift away from Peter Obi, or is it simply political pluralism at play? Supporters of Atiku describe the momentum as a political tsunami, while others insist that the Southeast remains politically strategic and undecided. This festive season, the Southeast is certainly not quiet. Crowds went wild as the Ide of Akweze arrived at the Igwe Nnewi Palace for the Ofala Nnewi 2025 celebration in a Tesla Cybertruck. Yes, you heard that right. Tesla Cybertruck, a powerful mix of tradition and modern luxury. Meanwhile, Igbo billionaire and businessman Obi Kubana is preparing for major chieftaincy titles scheduled for January 3rd and January 6th in Anambra State. Once again, the region is showcasing wealth, culture, and influence all in one season. Meanwhile, political tension continues to rise in Abia State following early accusations against Governor Alex Otti. Deputy Speaker of the House of Representatives, Benjamin Kalu, has made a bold statement. He declared that if he decides to run for Abia governorship in 2027, the outcome would be fast and decisive. He added a sharp reminder: you can insult me on social media, but on election day, there are no polling units on social media. The message has triggered strong reactions across political circles.
But today, what we are doing, which is what we have started since 23 years ago, is being branded that we are doing it because we want to run for governor. If we decide to run for governor, and what about it? People who are afraid of what we are doing for humanity, I want you to know we started doing this in 2003, and by that time most of you are not in politics. When I started doing what I'm doing today, which is 23 years old, I was not holding any office in government. I was not contesting any position. It is giving back to the people. But today, other governors did not brand what I was doing as a threat. Today it's being seen. If Benjamin can say cough, they say it's governorship. If I fart, it is governorship. If I change my clothes and wear something, it's governorship. If I say hello to somebody, it is governorship. If I visit anybody, it is governorship. If I'm building structure for the president, it is governorship. I want to ask you, am I not fit enough to run for governorship? Let me go and tell them. Let them pray that I don't come out. If I come out, we will run it and run it wide. I have not declared for governorship. People who have declared for governorship, nobody is attacking them. About 3 of people have declared in the state for governorship. Nobody is attacking them. I have not declared, and every day they are paying people on social media. Even some of you who are here videoing me now, you were sent by them to come and video me so that you put it on social media and then you start insulting me. Let me tell you, insult me the most you can. We don't have time to reply to you, but at the right time we will tell you there is no bullying unit on social media. At the right time. This is not the first time I was attacked on social media. When I came to run for House of Rep, every social media was filled with attack. And they gave my opponent 70% and gave me 30% survival. At the end of the day, I carried him up and I hit him on the lamp. Wow. Go and tell Neya Dunu, pray I don't come out to run for governorship. If I come to run for governorship, it will be a fast and a quick, tough battle. That's all. That is the truth. Go and tell your neighbor I said so. We are still consulting. We are still talking to our party. We are still listening to the leader of our party at the national. And we are waiting for the signal. If the signal come, look at me very well. Am I not handsome enough to be a governor? Am I not educated enough to be a governor? Am I not experienced enough to be a governor? So what are we talking about? Let's stop. You cannot threaten us with what you write on social media. If you like, hire all the social media agents. Let them insult us. When we cough, write it on social media. At the right time, we will prove that APC is here to stay. And like my people have said, Mr. President should know that we in Abia State, we are not interested in negotiating with anybody. If you want to work for Mr. President, join ABC. If you want to work for President, do what? Join ABC. Promising President, I will give you this percentage. Allow me to be where I am. That one is far. It's far. We have what it takes. We have the resources, we have the people to be able to deliver 100 over 100 for Mr. President. Shall we rise and sing this song? On your mandate, we shall stand. On your mandate, we shall stand. On your mandate, on your mandate, on your mandate, we shall stand. We will keep building our party. We will keep strengthening our party. All of you who want to run election in 2027, you should be courageous. You should be bold. The president is supporting you. The president is not playing anti-party. The president will not leave APC and support a non-APC member. Go and tell Ndeyadunu. Go and tell your community. If you are interested in running for House of Assembly, come. If you want to run for House of Rep, come. If you want to run for Senate, come. If you want to run for governor, come. The only thing you will not run for is president. You are not allowed to run for president. But any other thing, outside the president and vice president, you can do what? Come. You can do what? Come. So let nobody frighten you. We believe in grassroots, and we will keep tilling the grassroots. Program after program, meeting after meeting, we will be tilling the grassroots while inviting those who are sitting on the fence. Let me tell you, I want to use this opportunity again to invite Governor Alex Oti to join our party. Through the Renewed Hope partners. You know, a few months ago, about 6 months ago, we gave about 500 million to the pro-group. We have been distributing from time to time. Today again, to support the party and the structure, we are giving 100 million naira. Can I have the DG? You should help 2,000 businesses in Abia State, small-scale businesses. We want you to raise 2,000 businesses between now and February. Sometime in February, we are going to gather again for empowerment. Today is not empowerment. Today is to share food and eat rice together. We will do empowerment the first quarter of this coming year. And between now and that time we'll do empowerment. We want you to collect 2,000 names of small and medium scale enterprises. We are going to support them with 1 billion naira. 1 billion. I didn't say 1 million. 1 billion naira. For 2,000 businesses that will cut across the entire Abia State. All the local government in Abia State. You should collect a form, and the office is Ojike Lane, Umahia, Renewed Hope office. Go there and pick up the form. It's what? Ojike Street in Umahia, Renewed Hope office of the president. Go there and collect the form. Make sure you return it before February. We're only giving 30 days to do this. And all those businesses, each of them will get about 500,000 naira to start with. And from there, we will invite Bank of Industry, Bank of Agriculture, Smeltdown, Credit Corps, and all the rest of them. They will partner with us to match our fund. If my office is bringing 1 billion, I am sure that these other agencies will support. So don't get tired of submitting the forms. We might, at the end of the day, by February, have more than 1 billion to give to you, because Abia is an enterprising state. We are traders, we are business people, we want to stimulate economic development. Thank you very much, and God bless you.
And finally, we are ending today on a very sad note. Super Falcons and Paris FC goalkeeper Chiamaka Nnadozie has lost her elder brother. Our thoughts and prayers are with her and her family during this difficult time. May his soul rest in peace. From entertainment to tragedy, from economic warnings to political signals, from culture to controversy, Nigeria's story continues to unfold in powerful ways. Stay informed, stay engaged, stay safe. This is Update People TV, where the people's stories come first. Don't forget to like, share, and follow us for verified updates. See you in the next one.